Hey y'all, so just as a FYI, when I do give my updates on my cases, y'all, I do it in real time, and the reason being is just because I like to just show. First of all, I'm authentic, but at the same time, I just like to, as the updates come in, I like to kind of show people where I'm at. I might upload like the next day or whatever the case may be, but as the updates come in, that's when I give it to y'all. So for the update that I got today, it's about Resurgent. So if y'all don't know, the last we was at with them was I had a hearing date on 2/9, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. So in the middle, I'm asking them like, hey, can y'all give me, the documents that I need? Basically, I'm trying to prove that they don't have the legal standing and they don't own this debt. I cannot find that information nowhere. They're supposed to give that to me, which is part of like the validation, especially if I request it. So it's part of the discovery. So I asked them for it, and they blatantly, like, number one, I did interrogatories. They ignored that. By law, you can't ignore it. Even if you deny all the claims, or you just, like, even if you answer and be like, no, I don't want to answer this, basically in a nutshell, you still have to give some type of answer. They never answered nothing, so you're already out of compliance. Then they turn around and try to say that I was out of compliance. Then I had to turn around and prove to them that I am within compliance, and here's my proof, because I sent y'all an email and I sent the regular mail, so here's my proof. So then I asked them for documents, and they flat out said, we are in receipt of your request, but we're not giving it to you. Basically, in a nutshell. And I'm like. So then I said, okay, well, if y'all not going to give it to me, basically they're trying to say that it's irrelevant. No, it's not. This document, the production of documents that I'm asking for is directly connected to my claim that y'all don't have legal standing. And you have to prove that you have legal standing for real, before even being able to even sue. But because they want to play around with people, or because people really don't fight like that, that's the reason why they're able to get away with this type of stuff, which is annoying, but that's neither here nor there, right? So boom. I said, okay, y'all are now willfully non-compliant. And because of this, I'm going to have to file a motion to compel discovery, because now I'm going to have to get the judge involved. And I'm going to give y'all one last time to cure this. And I sent that, and they ignored me. So now we are here. Y'all only got 3 minutes on here. Follow me for the next one so we can go get deeper into it.